Hey loves, it's Brianna. In today's video, I'm sharing with you 5 hacks to organize your house that are completely free. These do not cost you a dime, but to help get your house looking more organized and cleaner looking if that's something you're trying to do in the new year. I know that's what I'm trying to do right now. And if you are new here, I hope you click that red subscribe button because I've got a ton of really great cleaning, decorating, and organizing videos coming up if you like these as well. Click that thumbs up if you do, but let's get into these 5 free hacks.
We're going to get started in my son Landon's room with his bookshelf. We love using this cube organizer, but his books have just gotten really sloppy looking. So today I'm going to take them all off the shelf and reorganize them by color. I thought it would be really fun to make them colors of a rainbow. So I'm looking at the binding color and organizing each book by colors of the rainbow. And once I've got them all sorted, putting them back on the shelf, starting with purple and going backwards through Roy G. Biv, and voila, a nice organized rainbow of books. Next on my list, we're going to make your linen closets look more organized by rolling towels. In our master bathroom, we don't have a linen closet, and I think the towels can look so sloppy when they're just folded and stacked up. So I think it looks so much better when I have the towels rolled up and arranged neatly in baskets. This also gives it a more spa-like effect and just makes me feel way more organized. Next on the list, we're tackling closets and just doing a quick rainbow color organization, just like we did with those books, to make the closet look bright, organized, and color-coded. Before we head to cleaning off the counters, I just wanted to share this motivational quote of the day: be the woman you needed as a girl. I posted yesterday on my Instagram all of the things I wish I could tell my younger self, and especially having a daughter, I want her to see what's possible and never doubt herself and have loads of confidence in who she is, and I want that for you too. So I hope that these videos not only help you make your home a nice, organized, clean place to live, but that they give you motivation and courage to keep on being a boss and living your life to the fullest. So for the counters, I am trying to take a more minimalist approach in 2019 and get as much off the counters as possible. After doing this video, I actually ordered a hanging paper towel holder so that gets taken off the counter as well. But just having less on the counters makes me more organized, and it speeds up cleaning daily because there's less to dust and less to move around when you're trying to clean. Final item on the organization list, doing an organization of the pantry and fridge. Since we just got back from vacation, my fridge was pretty bare, so I use this as a good opportunity to get it organized and just put similar bottles together, use some chalk labels that I found in the Target dollar spot to organize the fruit and veggie bins, and label where the other food goes around the different shelves of the fridge. I've also had a decent base on my pantry, which if you want to look up my pantry organization video, you can see exactly how I organize this. But I'm getting rid of all of the cardboard boxes and excess packaging from the last grocery shop just to make more room in these Dollar Tree bins that I use to organize everything. It just makes it so much easier to grab stuff out of here when there isn't hundreds of boxes all in it. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed those 5 free hacks to organize your home. If you did, click that thumbs up so that I know, and make sure you're subscribed if you're new, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, loves. And please check out some of my other videos that are up here on the screen, and I hope you subscribe if you're new. Just click on that picture of me.